Hello. Hey,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm doing great, and I feel
my
better
long
now
lost, my long
than
lost
seeing you.
friend. Yeah. What is news?
Hello.
I saw
I
your
really miss
name.
you.
I know
Yeah.
I missed you too. I saw your name when I was looking at my schedule last night, and I was like,
Mhm.
ah, blast from the past.
Okay. Like,
Excellent,
look,
Amit.
who is going to call me?
Yes, I remember because you guys tricked me the last time, so I wasn't sure who I was gonna get.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is
it's so
he
awesome to
Joseph?
see
Is
you.
he Ahmed?
Yes, good to see you, Amit.
Mm-hmm.
What is news? How's everything going?
Everything is going fabulous, man.
Y-
I'm having a great month.
Oh,
This is yeah. This is I can say like this is my month. And
this
November
is it.
and November what was
Yes,
it? Like it was only the starting. I
yes.
started in November, like getting
Just,
the vibes. You know,
hmm.
I had some bad things that happened to me, like
Okay.
in 2021, and
Yeah.
I couldn't move on. And then I don't know, like it's a what do you call it? Like it's a godsend, you know?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know. I got gifted um in November, like
Hmm.
someone wake me up because
It's like that.
yeah.
Hi, new perspective.
Oh
Mm,
yeah, it was like a spark. What do you like spark, right? Yeah, it's spark.
yeah,
Like, hey,
yeah.
wake
It's
up,
like,
wake
yeah,
up, live your life. You need to live your life. And then I back
yeah.
to life. Now I feel like I am in the right place. When I am like
You
called
got
like
this.
computers, I am in the right place.
It's amazing when we have that transformation and we can't
Mm,
predict when it's gonna happen or how it's
yeah.
gonna happen, but it's just like one day we wake up and we go, Wait, hang on. All right, this is it. Let's move on. Let's move forward."
Oh
That's the beauty
yeah.
of life. Yeah,
And do you
it's
believe
always a
like
matter of time. Mhm.
oh yeah, you need time. You need time. Um,
Everything's a
and
matter of time. Mm.
do you believe that sometimes you need true friends around you to help you out to get rid of your anxiety? um
Yeah.
you need I needed that, and I got all the support.
I need a village. I need a village
Oh,
of people.
oh my goodness. Okay, going to
I got
call
different people for different things. Like
going to call my family, okay, my people, and then
uh,
let's go to South Africa, to Cape Town.
really? They
Yeah,
they came here?
because our support.
Mm. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Yeah, it's so
Tell me,
true. It's
how
so
was
true. We
your
need our
trip
people.
in what do you call it? Zimbabwe, I guess.
Oh, Zanzibar. I was in Zanzibar.
Zanzibar. I thought it was
Zanzibar.
Zimbabwe.
No.
Is it in South Africa?
Zanzibar. No, it's in Tanzania. So
Uh-huh.
country Tanzania on the east coast of Africa, kind of
Mm-hmm.
central, and then there's a little island just off the coast of of
Yeah.
Tanzania, and that's called Zanzibar.
Mm-hmm.
No, it was epic. It was amazing. I want to live there.
Mm-hmm.
Such a good
Oh my
lifestyle.
goodness. Oh yeah, I
Think,
saw. Like, look at you. You are so fancy. You are just like Hollywood stars. Especially when you were like
I was
walking on like the sands. I see. Oh my goodness! Look at her. She's amazing.
Thanks. No, it was incredible. I had the best experience. I met such amazing people. I think that
Mhm.
really made it for me. I mean, apart from you're in paradise, but it
Yeah.
was an incredibly basic living. Um, I mean, I lived in the same clothes for weeks, you know, because and he took a suitcase and that's it. So you super basic living. Had my little
Mhm.
outside kitchen, but the people just incredible. Yeah, I think that every experience was
Mhm.
just wow, wow, this is
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah, yeah. It is, it
Yeah,
is. You know why? Because
makes you feel
when you
alive again.
oh
Mm,
yeah, that's really necessary for the people, to change their
yeah,
mood sometimes, and to
find that
get out of
appreciation.
their like bubble, because sometimes we feel
Yeah,
like we are like engaged in a bubble, and then
yeah.
you just go out
Pop
there,
that bubble.
pop that
Pop that
bubble, yeah.
bubble. Put yourself out there, and some
Mhm.
really incredible things happen. Yeah.
Mhm.
So I was really glad I went. I originally went for 3 weeks to go and visit my friend, and I had such a
Mhm.
good time that I extended for another 4 weeks. So
For sure,
and
you
then
needed to extend it.
I had to. I was like, I'm not ready to
Yeah.
go home. This is too
If I
good.
were you, I wouldn't return to my home.
I
I would call
I
my
had
wife like, "Hey, I'm not going to
yeah.
go there."
I did have that thought. It did cross my mind a few times. It's okay. I'll go
Oh,
back.
God.
I'll go back. Yeah.
Oh, okay, so
And you? Mhm.
was the kitchen like in open area place? Because you describe it
So,
like this.
like my outside kitchen, it was so cool because
Mhm.
I was staying in this amazing house, but I wasn't
Mhm.
using the kitchen inside. There was, um, there was like a little apartment outside that my friend was
Mhm.
staying in, but
Mhm.
he had a bedroom and a bathroom. And then next to that was the kitchen. And it did have a roof, it did have
Yeah.
walls, and it had a gate that you could
Yeah.
lock. But I had to walk out in the garden and around the house to
Yeah.
go
To reach out
over
to
to
the
get out
kitchen.
into my little kitchen out there. It was
That's so
super
lovely.
rustic, super, super rustic.
Mhm.
But I loved it. It was like actually one of my favorite parts is my little outside kitchen.
Yeah, I
So
saw the
yeah.
I saw the, I saw the pictures. I saw the beach, and
Mm.
I noticed that in one of your stories you mentioned that like it's a good place to work, and you were actually working.
I was working. I was working. Yeah.
I thought
Full
like
time I was working.
I'm going to call her, and she is like inside the pool and carrying the laptop and you
Lying
know
on the
carrying,
beach.
yeah, and carrying like a lemon, and then with like sunglasses, fancy
Yep, yep.
sunglasses, and then hello,
Fancy
how can I help
sunglasses, of
you?
course.
I'm in the middle of paradise.
It actually wasn't like that at all because I had to be where there was Wi-Fi. That was a bit of a challenge. I'm not gonna lie.
Ah, so
Wi-Fi was a big challenge there,
uh,
but but
was it awful?
I the quality was not the best. And then they
Mm,
had the one day they had an electricity cut for 12 hours. We had no
mm,
electricity.
yeah.
So I'd find places with Wi-Fi,
Hmm.
but otherwise I had my little setup in the house. I just set my laptop up actually on my bed and I put a chair next behind there and I sat and just worked in there and then could go walk outside, go to the beach in the evenings or go meet people, and then the weekends, of course. So yeah, it makes it super doable when you can work remotely.
Okay, what is adorable? You said adorable?
Do doable.
Yeah, you are.
Doable. When something is doable, you are able to do it. You're able to do
Mm.
it. So
Uh-huh.
able to do it, able to be obtained. It is doable. Yeah.
Doable. Doable.
Mhm.
I like it. Thank you.
Doable. Sure.
Oh,
Good.
yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And what
Yeah.
else is happening on your side?
Um,
So we're
but the
in a
good
new
news,
phase, new
mm,
chapter. Mhm.
yeah, yeah. The good news, I gave up smoking and I started vaping.
We trade one for the other. Good. It's a step in the right direction. Absolutely.
Mhm.
How are you
Oh,
feeling
yeah.
about this?
I feel okay. I mean, like,
Okay.
it's like
Mhm.
vaping better than smoking because smoking it smells bad. Unlike
Yeah.
vape, I can like use flavors and I like fruit flavors, which is really good. Yeah,
Okay.
like the taste inside of my mouth, So I
Are you
like it.
saving are you saving money? Is it cheaper?
No, it's expensive. It's
Oh.
more expensive. Yeah.
Oh no. Okay, well that might motivate you to stop vaping eventually. But it's
I'm
cool.
reducing. Mm.
You're in it now. Good.
Um, I've got yeah. We
Mhm.
need we need to drink a lot of water especially during such this classes because it's.
See
Oh
my
my goodness!
backup.
Again, again.
I am prepared. I'm
I
prepared.
know. Actually, I
Hydration.
made it double
Just have a
because
little
I told myself,
fridge next to the desk.
should I have one? That's a really good idea. And put
Yeah,
and put
yeah.
put some like sweets stuff. Yeah.
Yes.
Should I?
Sweeties, some waters. Excellent idea. I'm
Snickers,
all for it.
Twix, Kit Kat, pizza.
Kit Kat's my favorite.